Yeah, that's all my dress. Y'all will know that I am out. This is some sort of brioche raspberry. Raspberry? No, it's not. It's red velvet. That was the thing that you tried. That was raspberry. Never mind. I don't know why I thought this was like cupcakes for a second. Yeah. And it's sweet. This is really good. This is a creme, whoa, bottom layer came off. Creme brulee, this one. And this is like a strawberry smoothie. It's supposed to be frappe. Yeah, is this gonna be savory? The texture throws me off its the texture. It looks like an egg. It tastes like just a nice amount of like fruity, but like fruit smoothie, but like milkshake. Like it's not mad milkshake, but it's also like not mad smoothie. I'd say consistency wise, but taste wise, it tastes like strawberries with milk and no sugar. After this, we're going to spend some time walking around. It's 11:25. These are just snacks so we don't fall out, but we're going to eat lunch at 12. Here's Tati's drink. Yeah. This is mine. It's good. That tastes great. Okay, Fred. Ooh. Pretty. What's this? Oh, it says happy birthday! Finally take these diabolical alcohol. Well, that's a shot for sure. Definitely in that one. Emily finally arrived. We're changed and we're about to go to the beach. Here's Tati. Here I am. And here's Emily. Nobody can see you that way. Girl. So I'll see y'all out there. Toodaloo. Oh, also, if you haven't seen my nails, I'm gonna have a quick nail cam. Okay. There's one. Here's two. Here is three. Period. Hey guys, so we're back to the beach now. It was very fun. We went pretty deep, you know, just for fun, and then we came back. But tonight is leopard print, so we each have leopard print in different ways. Anyways, yeah, we're about to get ready. Emily's showering, but me and Tati are about to do it right now.
on your mind? Who got your mind? Who you been like me? How we was mine?
I was about to say. What is the best guy? What? Fully just said.
Like someone saw it.
Might not have been you. Replay. Best guy. I thought that was gonna be bad. Anyways, we're walking to the restaurant. Walking. There's Tati. The favorito, baby.
Sobrepasar tus zonas de peligro hasta provocar tus gritos y que olvides tu apellido. Despacito, vamos a hacerlo en una playa en Puerto Rico hasta que las bolas griten ay bendito.
When I'm looking at my
That one's alright. And this one. That's pretty good. It's alright. It is very humid. We're here for breakfast and I'll show you our outfits. Here's Emily's outfit. Here's Tati's outfit. And here's my outfit. Beautiful spread. Ishiyama daddy daddy. How do I stop it? We just finished taking pictures. It is very hot outside. We're about to go change into our bathing suits that we will be wearing to go on the jet ski later. But we're just gonna go in the pool first. We're going at 1:50. It's 11:30. Please. We're at the beach. It's very hot. Yeah, it's very hot. Oh! Yeah. Also, it could be because it's earlier as well. Because we went to the pool at like 4, or the beach at 4. Whoa.
oh yeah, we
Last
didn't
time.
get here till like
Oh, look at the fish. Can y'all see it? Well, you know you can.
yeah, that's what I'm trying to look. Oh my god. I don't, but I'll get hurt. Like, I'm not saying that. That doesn't stab me.
That junk was too freaking funny. Ignore my face, but oh my gosh, it was literally like, it wasn't scary, just how far out we were and how deep the water potentially is what was scary. But yeah, like trying to not to drive too fast because that junk is literally bumping and bouncing when you get over the waves. Oh goodness, but we was literally laughing the whole time. I was smiling so much that my teeth was getting dry and stuff. Goodness. Now Tati and Emily are driving. Tati's the one driving, but Emily's on the back. And then if Emily feels comfortable enough, they'll switch. If not, they'll just finish out the rest of the time. But it was really fun. Would definitely recommend and would definitely do it again. I've never been that far out, which is actually insane. Can you see?
Is that them?
Yeah, it's foggy.
It's so blurry, but they coming in like a boat.
Was it good? Lola is on the phone. There they go. They're off. Yeah, they're all the way over there. It's so tiny, you can't even see them. Dust in the wind. I know they're having a time. Heard. Hold on.
I think they're coming back, guys. I don't know for sure though. I think that might be them.
They got it. They got it. They're coming. They're coming. Very fun. I would definitely do this again for an hour. Oh, hold on. Next time I want to make sure we come and we do it 2 people. So we can race each other. That was very fun. That was crazy. Everybody should do it. Like, that was so serious. We're in Miami and middle when I lead them jet ski. Hey, if you're able to, try and pop in my video as well.
Of course.
Yeah, that's why I was like, oh, good.
Hello.
We're getting ready.
Sure. Yeah, we are in Mexico. My birthday is tomorrow. I'm turning 20. Woohoo! Woo! Right. Anywho, we went on jet skis today. This was everybody's first time. Yeah. It was so fun. I'm feeling great. Yeah. I feel awesome. I just have a headache.
It was very fun. Y'all, this music not gonna work for YouTube, so we just gonna do montage.
Oh, no.
This lighting is really good though.
Yeah.
Like it's very Vogue.
Yeah.
Get ready with us, Vogue edition.
Period.
Get ready, guys. This is Vogue. Get ready.
Has been doing so good. She's been vlogging for you guys so much this whole trip.
Recording the perfect amount, not forgetting, you know, I'm officially a content creator.
Oh, period.
Or I can put them all 3 next to each other, but I already have.
Wait, what? Just wanted to do that. Oh.
Ready or not,
Here I come, you can't hide. Gonna find you.
I literally enough time to take a nap and come back, but Emily finally finished her makeup, so I'm gonna show you guys our final products. Hello. Ignore this ashiness in my head. I don't know what that is.
You know what to do on that.
Here's my face. Here's our final look.
Ow! Yeah!
Can I borrow some here too?
No.
This is the sort of the look I'm going for, by the way. I'll see y'all when we're dressed. Okay, hey guys, we're dressed.
Ah, we look so good, guys.
I'm gonna show y'all our outfits in a second.
Got my nail back on.
Here are the outfits. Emily's always in some corner. Emily, may you please join us? Here are our outfits. Tonight is short dress.
Her legs are out.
I'll make sure it's on the wall later. Happy birthday to you.
It'll change a lot.
She already did.
Yeah, mine
We're gonna miss having you around.
Oh,
Sorry.
stop.
I'm sorry.
Everyone, we're going to breakfast.
Yes.
Okay guys, so we reached the end of the trip. Tati's golden birthday, leaving her teens 20th birthday Mexico trip. Yay! We reached the end.
Very fun. Successful trip.
And with that,
The 19th
Emily.
season comes to an end. Period.
Or the teenager.
Oh yeah, right. Teenager season.
Here's Emily packing. She's going back. And we're going back to school. Back to school. Oh, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.